Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you techniques in controlled atmosphere storage and modified atmosphere packaging in subject food storage and transport. Now let's start the topic. Controlled atmosphere and modified atmosphere is controlled atmosphere generally refers to decreased oxygen and increased carbon dioxide concentrations by a precise control of the gas composition. And modified atmosphere is used when the control of the storage atmosphere is not closely controlled, such as in plastic film packaging. What is the difference in between the modified atmosphere and controlled atmosphere? For modified atmosphere, gas composition is modified initially and it changes dynamically depending upon the respiration rate of the produce and permeability of film or storage structure surrounding the produce. Controlled atmosphere is the gas atmosphere which is continuously controlled throughout the storage period. Scrubbers are used in controlled atmosphere storage to absorb the extra amount gases present inside the packaging material. Air contains 21% of oxygen and 0.003% of carbon dioxide and remaining is nitrogen. Whereas modification of the atmosphere will decrease the oxygen and increases the carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere, which will lead to increase the shelf life of the perishable foods. Beneficial effects of the proper controlled atmosphere storage is it delayed softening and mealiness, that is apples, pears, tomatoes. It delayed toughening, that is asparagus, chlorophyll retention, apples, pears, leafy greeny vegetables. Then it also controls the insects due to the elevated carbon dioxide and oxygen concentration is less than 1%. Therefore, there is no rate of respiration for insects. Then beneficial effects of proper controlled atmosphere storage, that is inhibition of the browning of cut surface, that is cut fruits and vegetables. Then better flavor retention, for example pineapple, cabbage, and reduction of disorders and decay for berries, and higher nutritional value after storage for vitamin C. Then detrimental effects of controlled atmosphere, that is it may cause irregular ripening of fruits for banana, mango, pear, and tomato at oxygen below 2% and carbon dioxide above 5% for more than 1 month, and may cause physiological disorders and may enhance aerobic respiration and development of flavor and may cause susceptibility to decay. Examples of storage disorders are the low oxygen injury and internal carbon dioxide injury, which is also known as brown heart, and low temperature breakdown and internal carbon dioxide injury. Then disadvantages are it is quite expensive, temperature control required, different gas composition for each type of product, special operation and operator training required. Once pack opens or leaks, the benefits are lost. Recent developments in controlled atmosphere storage are recent improvements include maintaining CA during transport in refrigerated marine containers. Controlled atmosphere transport of banana permits the harvest at a more fully mature stage. In addition to a controlled atmosphere, there is also a continuing increase in the use of plastic films and MAP. Then modified atmosphere packaging. It involves the modification of the headspace gas in the package in order to prolong the shelf life of the product. It contains the greatest use of MAP, that is modified atmosphere packaging, is for fresh cut products to maintain 2 to 5% oxygen and 8 to 12% carbon dioxide. It is possible to improve gas control in MAP by adding absorbers of ethylene, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Oxygen absorbers are iron powder is used commercially as the active ingredient, for example, ferric oxide and iron oxide. Then carbon dioxide Absorbers are lime, freshly hydrated high calcium lime, activated charcoal, magnesium oxide, then ethylene absorber, that is potassium permanganate, builder clay powder, hydrocarbons, silicons. And there are two types of map: active modification and passive modification. The atmosphere In active modification, the atmosphere is modified by pulling a slight vacuum and replacing the packaging atmosphere within the desired gas mixture. Whereas in passive modification, modification is achieved by respiration of commodity within the package and depends on the characteristics of the commodity and the packaging film. For the passive modification, product packaged with selected film and desired atmosphere develops naturally over time, and it takes longer to achieve desired atmosphere in package. And active modification involves displace or remove gases in the package, replace with mix of desired gases and seal. Better shelf life is achieved with active modification. Conclusion is a strong preservation of quality and nutritional value is demonstrated by CA storage with the lowering of oxygen and enhancement of the carbon dioxide concentrations. This results in better quality after storage, a longer storage period, a longer shelf life period after storage, a higher nutritional value after storage, that is vitamin C, a more environmental friendly storage, that is no post harvest chemical treatments against scald are needed. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.